Hello people, this is Maham from Experimenter Add-on, and today we are talking about WordPress 6.8 update. If you're wondering whether this is a huge update, do I need to care at all, and would it break my site? In this video, I'm breaking everything down in the easiest way possible. Just a real talk on whether WordPress 6.8 is worth updating or something you should delay. Okay, so first, this is not a flashy update. You're not getting any new design feature or major layout changes. Instead, WordPress 6.8 is about performance, protection, and polish. Here's what's actually new in WordPress 6.8. So WordPress 6.8 has introduced a smart feature called speculative loading. Imagine someone hovering over a link on your website, and before they even click, the next page is already loading in the background. That's what speculative loading does. It prepares the pages in advance, so when someone clicks, it loads faster. It's like it already guesses where people will go next and loads it early. This is all about the focus on the performance. Faster loading means better user experience, lower bounce rate, and higher SEO ranking. WordPress is now using bcrypt to protect password. This is the same technique that is used by high security systems like banks. Basically, old WordPress passwords use weaker hashing. But now with bcrypt, passwords are way harder to crack. For example, if someone tries to guess your password, bcrypt makes it super slow and difficult. And this step is clearly a focus on the protection to make your site more secure against the attacks. Okay, now here's something cool WordPress has added: the style book. It's like your preview tool. Before, this worked only for the blog themes, but now it works for classic themes as well. And I think it's kind of a big deal. You can look how every block on your site look all in one place. For example, image, buttons, headings, and so on. And the best part, you can view the design of all these blogs in one place, even if you haven't used them yet on any of your page. And this one is a polish update that helps you see and manage your design changes across your site at one place. If you love visual editing and do not want to dive into code, this one is a total game changer. In WordPress 6.8 update, block editor is more optimized. You will now have more layout control, more padding and margin options like you're seeing in this page listing block. Then there is a new block called Total Query block. You can add it inside a query loop to show the total number of posts. This helps when you want to quickly show how many posts are in a category or tag. Then another update is in the query loop. You can now choose to ignore sticky post. This is useful if you don't want sticky posts to always show at the top and want your post to appear in order. Another one is that now you can set any image as a featured image right from the blog toolbar. This makes it faster and easier to pick featured image without extra steps. Yeah, very minor updates, but it is what it is. In other words, smoother performance, faster content creation, and better user experience for everyone. Whether you are building a blog or designing a landing page, this update makes the whole process a lot more polished. Now, for the developers, there's a big win with the REST API menu control. Now you got more control over which menu data get exposed via the API. This is a game changer for headless site and custom WordPress integration. This is a backend performance boost, especially for the advanced custom setups. In WordPress 6.8 update, there's a good news for plugin developers supporting multiple languages. WordPress has made plugin translation a lot easier. Now you do not need to use load plugin text domain if your plugin works with WordPress 4.6 plus. This change makes it way easier to manage the international version of your plugin. I believe this is a nice polish update that makes process simpler and things easier for the plugin developers. This change makes it way easier to manage the international version of your plugin. I believe this is a nice polish update that makes process simpler and things easier for the plugin developers. WordPress team is quietly cleaning up the engine by removing the old functions and unnecessary code. I feel it matters a lot because every cleanup improves the SEO performance, the core stability, and website speed. It's a pure performance upgrade. I mean, less unnecessary code means faster and more stable website. Now let's talk about how to prepare for WordPress 6.8 update. Because I believe there are few things that you need to consider before you click update. Number 1. Back up your website. Before you update to WordPress 6.8, make sure to create a complete backup of your website so that if the update causes any error like the data loss or the plugin conflict, you can quickly restore your site to its previous working state. You can use the Updraft Plus or all-in-one WP migration for this purpose. Now number 2. Update your plugins and themes. If your plugins and themes are not updated before upgrading to WordPress 6.8, you could face compatibility issues and errors. So update everything first so nothing conflicts with the new version. Number 3. Check plugin compatibility. Some plugins are not ready when the new update arrives, especially the older ones that haven't been maintained. They can break your site and even causes the layout issues. So do not update blindly, test first. Now number 4. Use the staging site if possible. So if your hosts allow it, use the update on the staging site first. This way, if anything breaks, your live site can stay safe. So that was the story behind the WordPress 6.8. Some people are pleased that WordPress is focusing on fixing the issues instead of launching the new unfinished features. While some users are disappointed because they were expecting the major updates like better Gutenberg, more AI tools, and fresh UI. So whether this update a win or a disappointment totally depends on your expectation. Are you in it for reliability or are you looking for the new features? Please let me know what are your take on the WordPress 6.8 update. Now if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.